Hell yeah, I'm that dude with the tools and the tech. When your screens all crack up, I'm the one you respect. Some call me Brow, some call me Mike. Working all day.
Hello, Yidi Kuko Kidi Punggol. Mr. Browse nga po pala mga kaibigang oso. So, for today's video, let me just click on to here. Yes, I put it on the half body rocker. So yeah, as you can see guys, no? Ay, first time ko yata itong matinong vlog. Ewan ko matino ito. So you see, kahit nasang lupalo pa ako ng Dubai, hinahanap po ako na itong aking camera. Talagang kahit anong effort ko na magtago, hinahanap ako nito. Hinahanap niya siguro yung kintab ng aking ulo. So anyway, this camera po pala ay binili ko. And I guess I'm a little bit thankful na rin. Hey, what? Okay, so yeah. I guess it's tracking the full body because as I go farther, I set it up to the whole body. So, you know, kahit saan ako magpunta, nag-zoom in siya, natak niya ako, or zoom out. And this camera actually helps me to a little bit wonky, wobbly, and as I go on Mobile Legends, napapagalaw ako. Papasay ko pa ako minsan. At anyway, this camera guys is the Insta360 Link 2. And as you can see, ito po siya. So, wherever I go, pera follows. Ayun, di ba? Si Alpha lang. So, anyway, ito po siya guys. Para makita nyo po, ayan po siya. So, gumagalaw-galaw po yan na, no? Yan. And as you can hear, no, the way as I speak, no, yung music po is nag-a-align siya or nagde-decrease siya kasi nagsasalita ako. Mostly napapansin nyo ito sa mga AM or FM station which automatically reduce the music or the background just to give way lang po as I speak. So, yeah, I guess it's doing good thing. And it's OBS. And currently I'm using this Prism Live Video app. Yung Prism po kasi and Streamlabs and even the TikTok Studio, Live Studio in the PC po is gumagamit po sila ng resources from OBS kasi si OBS is open source po siya na app. So anyone can use it for free. Only customization is needed talaga. As far as I remember po, the time that I consume fixing the audio is siguro pinaka-challenging sa lahat kasi napakahirap ayusin yung audio. It's already 10 p.m. so I'm about to go na. Kailangan ko itong matapos. And anyway, I fix it now. So as you can hear naman, pag nagsasalita ako, nagdi-decrease yung volume at naririnig ako ng maayos. So I guess this camera is really good. You know, bagong technology po ito, no? This camera guys, you don't have to get a huge PC para ma-run po ito in the hardware base ng PC. Because built-in po yung AI tracker hardware niya. It means yung pyesa na kailangan po para mapagana ito is nakasama na po yun sa pinaka-module ng camera. And this camera, Insta360 Link 2, meron po progress po ito ng old generation of first or yung Insta360 Link or Link 1. That is, hindi ko alam, pero alam ko hindi nila ginamit yung 1. Nagkulang sila on the spot after this. There's another Insta360 guys, no? Na, ano ba yun? Na yung variant niya po is 2C. Insta360 Link 2C, which is, ganito lang po siya, yung pinaka-head lang siya. May magnetic. Ganito siya na stand. So itong gimbal or yung parang leg, hindi na po yun kasama. But it's still going to track you the same way that this device is doing. The only thing na siguro different nila is this one uses gimbal din po. So medyo stabilized po siya. And based sa may ginawa kong quick kasi itong tracker niya is sinusundan niya naman talaga ako ng maayos. So kahit nga ano ako, parang nagsumasayo ako ng mga pangwangguhan na galawan, no? Shout out nga pala sa tropang Kamsaka sa inyo dyan sa Negros, sa Pilipinas. And you know, it does the same. yung Link 2C na sinasabi ko. But in another way, since it doesn't have gimbal to go left and right wherever you were and you are. So, ang ginagawa po ng Link 2C is zoom in, zoom out wherever you are in the frame or in the camera. So, it still have also good resolution. And right now, napapansin nyo po, wherever I go, no, dinig pa rin yung boses ko. And I'm using something like wireless microphone. Nandito po siya. Ayan o. Yung microphone na ito, napapansin nyo, mayroon din po ito kay Malupiton. Napagod ako kagawa na itong video na ito. Walang edit to. Yung kay Malupiton na ito, napapansin nyo sa leeg ni Malupiton or sa kwelyo or sometimes sa damit niya, nandito po ito. Minsan sa sombrero po nilalagay nila to. Mayroon po ito ay Lark Holy Land. Balaan nga lugar. Holy Land. Lark M2. And I guess there is a much more recent or newest version for this one, which is yung Link yung Lark something. But I'm not really fan of that because yung kanyang quality for the audio recording, I guess hindi ko siya ganun gusto, and hindi po siya ganun ka-magnetic, guys. Hindi katulad nito, magnetic ito. Let's try. So yeah, yan po siya. Ididikit mo na yan sa damit mo, sa kwelyo mo, katulad nitong pinagagawa ko sa sarili ko. Yan po siya. Pwede ko siyang actually itago sa ilalim ng damit. So yeah, and yung reason kasi ito yung binili ko, meron kasi yung DJI mic, and same way mayroon ding Rode. But I'm not really fan of them because ang bigat po na nakikita nyo kay Julius Babaw na vlog, yung mga kausap ni Julius Babaw, lalo na yung mga nakapambahay lang na damit, halos malaglag na yung kwelyo or yung parang ito yung neck part dahil lang doon sa bigat ng microphone. And beside, ito nandito na yung microphone na to, much more years pa, long time na to nandito sa market or in consumer market, but still those microphones na dumating recently lang is still not really an upgrade. So I guess this one is much more better choice, no? And as you can hear, medyo maganda po yung boses ko, maliban kasi sa microphone na to is connected wirelessly sa V8 sound card, which is ito po yung itsura ng V8 sound card. Yan po siya, no? It has one condenser mic input and one dynamic mic input. Mayroon po ibang sound card na same din ito, yung V8S, na much more or has two microphones for the dynamic. Kung gusto niyo po mag-video okay, maganda po yun kasi dalawang microphone yung mako-connect ninyo using V8S. I guess you can search it on YouTube kasi wala pa akong ganun and I only have this V8. This V8 is actually have V800 condenser mic, but hindi ko po ginagamit yung V800 na microphone kasi number one po, pag gumagalaw ka na kaunti, napalayo ka na kaunti doon sa may microphone, hindi na po masyadong naririnig yung kaboses-an. So yung usahin naman yung boses mo, mga Ray Langit o mga Rico J. Puno, hindi naman nakaka-capture pala. Unlike nito, kahit saan ako, kahit maggagalaw, minsan mag-iilata, gugulong-gulong ako dun sa gaan ko ano pa rin, naririnig ako. So minsan pag umiihi, doon ako sa loob ng CR na sa kabilang kwarto pa, nadidinig pa rin nga po So, ano pa ba? May nakalimutan pa ba ako? So, I guess, yun lang muna. Sa susunod, marami pa akong sasabihin. And, I guess, the other way na nakahelp din sa akin sa paggawa nito video is through the help of another static web camera. Ito po siya. Ito po ay Anker PowerConf C100. Before I have Elgato Neo, pero nasira ko po. And you know, the Neo is really not para sa akin kasi hindi siya ideal din. Later on kasi magko-collect yun ng alikabok sa loob. Malaki po kasi yung mga parang grills niya. yung parang inlet ng kahit anong bagay. Maybe they did it for ventilation, but still, yung ganong klaseng setup para sa isang camera is not ideal kasi camera po ito, pag pinasukan nyo ng alikabok sa loob ng lens, or kahit hindi lang yung lens or kahit yung konting debris lang na napasok dun sa loob ng pinaka-covering niya, magkakosto po na kahit konting paglalabo or pwede makasira din kalaunan, magagasgas. And the reason na nasira ko kasi yan kasi na sarap ng katulugan, natulog ako and pagod ako natanggal ko po yung nasira ko po yung charging connector and the charging cable going through the main module ng camera is not replaceable po. Tinaray ko siyang i-replace, it didn't go to any service center because I tried naman mission is hindi po siya nag-work at nasunog ko po yung parang MOSFET or parang transistor, so hindi na po siya working. But I guess if I have that kind of parts, I can still fix it. Medyo mahirap lang kasi makahanap. And right now, as I mentioned, excuse me po, naka whole body tracker ako. So try natin yung half body. Tingnan natin yung gagana talaga. So gumana kalahati ng katawan ko mostly. Yan, hindi na kasama yung paa ko, hindi na kasama yung balakang ko. So, syempre, i-highlights natin yung pagmumukha natin. Pakita naman natin yung kapugian natin. Kahit paano, kahit nagkakaroon na ng washout dito dahil sa sobrang kintad ng ating ulo is natatrack pa rin, Woo! Sa ulo ng mga nagbabagang ulo. Yeah. I guess it's good. Guys, actually, it's not only tracking person. Pwede din po itong group of people. But yung whole body, napansin ko po, pagka nakatenono po yung group tracker, hindi na po gagana itong whole body. So I guess, that's not really necessarily needed naman. Ngayon kasi ako lang naman mag-isa. And the other thing, it's not only, teka lang, masyado nilang ina-expose yung pagka-pogi ko. Balik natin sa whole body. Yeah. So, full body tracker. Guys, if you have some kind of way or like a whiteboard, kunwari teacher ako kaya presentator or something na magdi-discuss ng kung anong gagawin ng mga OFW before going abroad. Meron po yung whiteboard tracker which is I don't set it up because puti yung paligid ko and it will take time. Pauwi na po talaga ako, uwi na ako. But still, if you have whiteboard, let's say here, it will track the whiteboard and it will going to temporarily discard me as person as an object to focus. So it will focus more on the whiteboard. And also, totally it can also focus on the whiteboard. So maganda sana to kung nagkaroon din ito right before pa ng pandemic. But right now, we're already post-pandemic, so we don't need that anymore. And last thing guys, I'm not really fan of the phone. So right now, phone is not a necessity for me to upgrade. And yeah, I still have this kind of device. It's a Legion Go. With this device, I can install this something here is just only because of the tempered glass, but entirely it's good. It's fine. Ito kasi I have a tempered glass, tinatamad lang akong palitan kasi later on baka mabasa din. So I have to buy a new set. But later on maybe pag ko talagang pangit na ako katulad nitong pagmumukha ako, baka palitan ko na to Palitan ko lang yung tempered But anyway guys, this has Windows inside installed. SteamOS installed. And SteamOS is for gaming, right? And also it has Android installed inside. So yeah, I guess I'm good with this and I don't need to upgrade. And still, magbutas-butas na siguro ang brief ko saka lang ako bibili. Ganun naman kadalasan yung mga patay-patayan Patay-patayan. Yeah, I guess it's all. That's all. Next time, I will give you some more idea. Pagdating sa next time siguro mayroon akong ibibigay at i-share about some kind of way for you to take care of your phones. Kasi siyempre cellphone technician tayo. Meron mga technique dyan para mapagpatagal pa natin yung life expectancy ng cellphone ninyo, tatagal pa yan kaysa sa relasyon yung mas malinaw pa sa tubig baha. Ay, mas malabo pa pala sa tubig baha. Once again guys, this is Mr. Browse ang nagasiling nga. Ba't di kasi nagsisiling? Gusto mo, pausapon ta ka. Kapoy.
What happens when I'm going back? It comes in. Moving. Yeah. It's like you be like you're the performer. Yeah. But everyone will think like what gadgets is this guy using? Because wherever he's going, it's like somebody is shooting video for us. Yeah, someone is handling the camera. It's nice. But now it's AI. You know the twin